Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to solve exercise 2.4 question number 1 first part. That is also very important part with respect to exams. This question is very important. Before that I explained the questions that were the easy one and also important with respect to short question or multiple choice. But this type of the question is important with respect to subjective type. After this there are two more parts, three more parts. They are also very important from this exercise with respect to exams. So start to solve of this question. How to solve? I will solve it here. Some students are writing answer is the last one number. Solution is the process, short form of the solution. First of all, what we will do, that the first step is that we will try to make its exponent positive. What we will do, that to make the exponent is positive. Then how to make exponent positive? This negative exponent, this negative exponent, and this negative exponent, I want to make it positive. So how to make positive? My question is that you have already knew about that one. So please, what is the answer? Good. If we will make the numerator to denominator, then the sign of exponent change, negative to positive. Good. And also the negative sign is also in denominator, we will also want to change. Here 196 exponent is -1. When it will make the numerator exponent 1, it exponent 1. So 1 exponent no need to write. 243 we will write in denominator, and its exponent before that -2/3. When it will change into denominator, so its exponent will become 2/3. Sign of multiplication same. 32 is also having exponent -1/5. When you will go in the denominator, so 32 exponent 1/5. That is the first step. What we do in the first step? Just change the sign of exponent, minus to positive. Now we want to simplify. Simplify means we want to try to make it factors. So when you will try to make it factors, when there is any number in the third is written here like 3, so its exponent is equal to 1/3. If it is written here 4, 1/4, if nothing is written here, so it means that its value is equal to 1/2. Right? So 196, square root of 196, what is that? So whose square root? That is a perfect square. 196 is a perfect square. Perfect square means then you will take its square root, then you will get the positive whole number. So then you will get the whole number is always positive, then you will get the whole numbers. So what is the whole number? That is 14 square. Because 14 into 14, 196. Why I am not taking directly root? Because I have already written its value 1/2 exponent. In such a way, when you will multiply 3 by itself 5 times. How many times? 5 times. 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 3, 27. 27 into 3, 81. And 81 into 3, that is equal to 243. It means that 3 exponent 5 is equal to 243. In the same way, when you will 2 multiply by itself 5 times, then you will get the answer 32. 2 multiply itself 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So 2 exponent 5 is also equal to 32. This is also by using the prime factorization method. You have already studied in the lower class. So I will put its result. So 243 is equal to 3 exponent 5. As I told you before, if there is a bracket, then power multiply by its power. पावर से क्या हो जाएगा, मल्टीप्लाई इफ द ब्रैकेट. अगर ब्रैकेट ना हो, जैसे 3 का आपके पास मैंने क्वेश्चन थर्ड और फोर्थ पार्ट में एक्सप्लेन किया था, अगर ब्रैकेट आ जाए तो पावर से क्या हो जाता है बेटा, मल्टीप्लाई. सो हियर आल्सो इज दैट वन 32 इज आल्सो 2 exponent 5. ड्यू टू दिस ब्रैकेट पावर मल्टीप्लाई, right? And this step also we will write like that one. 14 square is equal to this one. We will also remove this bracket and multiply. So it will become little easy. So finish the bracket. Right? After that, we try to simplify. Here 2 cancel by this 2. Here 5 cancel by this 5. So what is that? 14. Here 3 raised power 10 over 3. 3 raised power 10 over 3. And here what is remaining, that 2. And 2 1 are 2 and 2 7s are 14. It is also more simplified. After that, we have to solve this 3 exponent 10 over 3. 3 exponent 10 over 3. This I told you before, if there is nothing written here, its value is equal to 1 over 2. But if something is written here, its value 1 over 3. This step is very important and conceptual. Try to understand it here. 7 3. Can I write that 3 into 10 exponent 10 into 1 over 3, because these 2 cancel. Why I am writing 1 over 3? Because I want to try make its cube root. Like here when I will write that small 3, then 1 over 3 work is finished. I repeat that one. If there is nothing written here, no number is written here, so its value 1 over 2. If you will write 3, then its value 1 over 3. If you will write 4, its value 1 over 4. Like here, fifth root. If you want to finish this 5, then you can write fifth root. Search for, and search for के बाद यहाँ 5 डाल देंगे तो ये आपके पास क्या हो जाएगा, फिफ्थ रूट हो जाएगा. लेकिन उसके ऊपर 1 होना कंपल्सरी है. दैट्स व्हाई वी मेक 10 over 3 इट्स फैक्टर, लाइक 10 into 1 over 3. 1 over 3 को हमने बाहर निकाल लिया. हमें बेनिफिट क्या होगा? द बेनिफिट इज दैट यू विल सी दिस marker is not working properly. I am using this blue one, then you will able to see. 7 will remain same. 3 cube root. Square root cancel when the power is 2, then square root cancel by square. But here cube root, so it will be cancel the cube. 3 raised power 10, can I write 3 raised power 3 multiply by 3 raised power 3 multiply 3 raised power 3 and multiply by 3. What does it mean? When the base are same, powers add. So when you will write 3 once and add its power 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1, then what we will get the answer? 3 raised power 10. I will explain here in a rough process, then you will be very clear. Like 3 raised power 3 multiply by 3 raised power 3 multiply 3 raised power 3 and multiply by 3. As I explained you before, when the base is same and the sign of multiplication between them, then add its exponent. Write base once and add its exponent. What is its exponent? 3. Due to base same, add next exponent. Like that. So that's why 3 raised power 10 or 3 raised to 10 or 3 exponent 10 I wrote in such a way. So what is the benefit if I am writing like that? Actually, square cancel by square root, but cube cancel by cube root. This cube root cancel this cube. 3, this 3 and this 3. They all will be cancel. So 7, this cancel by this cube root. This will also cancel, this will also cancel, but this 3, last 3 is not having any power, it will be remain. So how to write? Which coming out, these 3 coming out of the third, and the remaining that one, only this 3. Is it okay? Not. Why? Because that is cube root. Okay, good. So you have to apply the sign of cube root. So the final answer is that how many times 3 multiply in denominator? Root, and that is your answer. 3 into 3. 9. 9 3s are 27. इस 3 को थोड़ा सेपरेट करके लिखना है ताकि पता चल सके, या 27 पे आप ब्रैकेट डाल दें ताकि ये पता चल सके दैट इज क्यूब रूट. इसकी बल्कि साइज भी थोड़ा छोटा रखें, अदरवाइज ऐसा ना लगे कि ये मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है. लाइक दैट. So 7 over 27 cube root of 3 also. So that is our final answer. Which part? That is the first part of this exercise 2.4, first part. I explained first the other part because they were simple. But first part and its fourth part and question number 3. First 2 part, first and second, all are important. These 4 parts are very important. So I will explain one by one with lecture. So starting from here, steps, I repeat that. First step, what is that? From your side. Good. Change the sign of the number. Negative into positive, that's why. Okay, then after that, make the prime factors write in exponent form. Make prime factors write in exponent form. Then simplify, cancellation. Okay, after that 10 over 3. So we have to make it in the cube root form, that 10 into 1 over 3, it's cube root, and simplify, then we will get the answer. The question is finished.